In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your Lovable app into Google Play Store. So follow my steps. And first step is to open your project which you want to publish. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And now once you have your project opened, click on Publish button in top right corner. Make sure your app is published. So you can click on Publish here. Then what you need to do is copy this URL. We'll need it later, so copy it. And then go to Google and search for website which can convert your web app into native app. So you can find many sites. So for example, I'm going to choose this median.co. And from here, you need to paste the URL you copied. I'm going to paste it and click on Build Your App. Now you can name your app. So for example, test. And then you can click on Start Building My App. This will start building your app, so you need to wait a couple seconds. From here, you can upload your app icon. So for example, I'm going to choose, as you can see, I just uploaded this white icon. So you can upload your icon and you can customize many things here as like interface or permissions or native plugins. So you can add, for example, social login. So now once your file is uploaded, click to start app. So click on this display and this will show preview of our app. As you can see, it's working. I can scroll through my app. Now what you can do is scroll under your phone. You will see this download button. So click on it. And from here, you can choose for iOS or Android. So we want to publish it to Google Play Store. So you need to download this APK file. So click on Build. This will start building your APK file and then you are going to be able to download it. And then you can click on Download. You can choose from AAB or APK, or you can install it on Android device. So I'm going to choose Download APK. As you can see, this is going to start downloading your APK file. So once you have your APK file, you need to go to developer.android.com. So this is Google Play Console. And from here, you need to sign in. And then once you have your developer account, you can upload your APK file. And once the Google reviews it, you are going to be able to publish it. So that's how you can publish your Lovable web app into Google Play Store. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.